Hello children, welcome to your SST class, and in today's SST class we are going to learn lesson number 3, Tropical Rainforests. So in this topic we will learn the following, that is, what are tropical rainforests, parts of tropical rainforests, that is the places where we find tropical rainforests, plants and animals found in these areas, and life of people who live in tropical rainforests. Let us first try to understand what is a tropical rainforest. Children, tropical rainforests are located in a band around the equator, mostly in the area between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn. This 3,000-mile wide band is called the tropics. Tropical rainforests are found in South America, West Africa, Australia, southern India, and the Southeast Asia. One specific rainforest, the Amazon rainforest, is located in the upper section of Brazil, south of the equator. The Amazon jungle is the world's largest tropical rainforest and cover the basin of the Amazon, the world's second largest river, or you can say second longest river. Children, area close to the equator have dense forest, and these forests are called tropical rainforests. The trees in these forests do not shed all their leaves in any season. Otherwise, in autumn season, most of the plants, they lose all their leaves. But the trees here in tropical rainforest, they do not lose all their leaves in any season, even in the autumn season. So therefore, they remain green all year and are called evergreen trees. So the trees found here in tropical rainforest are called evergreen trees because they remain green throughout the year. They don't lose all their leaves. Now, the rainforest along the banks of the river Amazon in South America is the largest tropical rainforest in the world. Children, places that lie in the tropical zone are warm and humid throughout the year. Now, places close to the equator, they get heavy rainfall with thunder showers almost every afternoon. And therefore, the areas close to the equator have very dense forest. Those have evergreen trees, and these areas are called tropical rainforests. So children, in this slide, we will learn about where are these tropical rainforests found. In the previous slide also we have discussed, but now we'll locate the places on the map. First of all, these tropical rainforests are found in southern part of North America, along the banks of river Amazon in South America, Central Africa, Southeast Asia, parts of Australia, and in India, tropical rainforests are found in the Western Ghats, the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, and the northeastern states. Now let us try to locate them on the map. So children, this place is the south of North America. So the places which are highlighted with green color shows you that the tropical rainforests are found in these areas. Now let us come to South America. So here you can find the tropical rainforest in South America, and the river Amazon also goes from west to east near these places. Now this is Africa, so you can find these rainforest in the Central Africa. And then if you come to Asia, these places are Southeast Asia. These are all Southeastern Asia, these places. If you come to India, which is also an Asian country, as you all know, so you can see the Western Ghats. See, this is here, these are the Western Ghats where we find the tropical rainforest, and along with that you can find it in Andaman and Nicobar Islands and in northeastern um, region of India. You can also find a very little amount or a very little area of rainforest here in Australia as well. And children, can you all see one more thing, that all these places they are near the equator. All right, you all can see that these rainforest, you can see this is the equator. All right, this is the tropic of Cancer and this is the tropic of Capricorn. You can see these dotted lines here on the world map. So you can see that these rainforests fall in between the tropic of Cancer and the tropic of Capricorn, and mostly they are near the equator. So this is the location of the rainforest here on the world map. I hope you all could understand very well with the help of the map exactly where do we find these rainforests on in the world. So children, in this slide we will learn about the types of plants and trees found in tropical rainforests. In tropical rainforests, the plants form different layers. Most of the trees are tall and broad-leaved and grow very close to each other. They form umbrella of leaves and branches over the entire forest. This is called canopy. You can see even in the diagram. The canopy is so dense that it does not allow much sunlight to reach the forest floor. The shorter plants grow under the canopy, make the understory. So the understoried are much shorter than the canopy. The trees that are there to form the understoried are much shorter than the canopy. The trees that are very tall and rise above the canopy are called emergent layers. So the tallest one are called emergent layer. They form the emergent layer. And the last layer is the forest floor that is covered with small plants and bushes. So children, you can find even in the diagram that there are 4 different types, or you can say layers of plants and trees present in these tropical forests. Now let us learn the types of plants that are found here in tropical rainforest. Children, as we know that tropical rainforests have many kinds of plants. There are very tall woody trees. These are supported by special thick root called Buttress roots. So the trees that are found here in tropical rainforest has buttress roots. I'll try to zoom this picture for you. You can see in the picture that the roots are so strange. They are very huge, very strong, and it seems to be as if they are very old. So these roots are called buttress roots. Okay, the wide buttress root at the base of the tall trees help to prevent them falling over. Shallow buttress roots help to give support in the thin, infertile soil, and they have a shallow spreading root system to collect as much nutrients as they can. So these special features of buttress roots help the trees to grow in this infertile soil. The soil in the rainforest is not very fertile. So these roots are spread over a large area to extract more and more nutrients from the soil so that these trees get proper nourishment. And trees often have vine climbing up them. They have plants such as orchards growing on their trunk and branches. Now children, as we know that the different layers of trees in tropical rainforest, they cover and they cover the whole area, and they are so close to each other that they do not allow sunlight to fall on the forest floor. So therefore all the climbers, they try to come to the top to get some sunlight. They have plants such as orchids growing on their trunks and branches. A type of plant called strangler completely covers and kills the trees on which it grows. I'll show you the picture of strangler in the next slide. But this is a very strange plant that kills the trees on which it grows. Rubber trees, palm, and fern are also found in tropical rainforest. Some rainforest trees, such as mahogany and rosewood, give us valuable wood. Bananas, pineapples, and cocoa, from which chocolate is made, are foodstuff that come from rainforest plants. So, children, you all might be very curious to know about the strange plant that is a strangler, which kills the tree on which it grows. So, this is the picture of the plant that is the strangler tree. You can see that the roots of this tree has covered the tree that is underneath. So this is how might be this plant covers the tree on which it grows and kills, because these roots, they extract the maximum nutrients, and the tree underneath these roots do not get sufficient sunlight, water, and nutrients. So this is how the strangler tree kills the tree on which it grows. Let us now learn about the animals found in tropical rainforest. Tropical rainforests have the largest variety of animals found anywhere on earth. Tropical rainforests are the home of many types of monkeys, apes, birds, snakes, frogs, and insects. Gorillas and chimpanzees are apes found in the tropical rainforests of Africa. Orangutans are apes found in Southeast Asia. Anaconda snakes and colorful birds such as toucans and macaws live in the Amazon forest. The river flowing through the tropical rainforest are home of crocodiles and many kinds of fishes. Now, children, you can even see in the picture a variety of animals found in the tropical rainforest. In fact, in the tropical rainforest, we can find the largest variety of animals found anywhere on the earth. Let us now learn about the life of people living here in the tropical rainforest. The tropical rainforests have a very uncomfortable climate. They are home to many diseases. The dense forests make it difficult to build roads and clear land to grow crops. The soil too is not fertile, so very few people live in these forests. The Yanomami people of the Amazon rainforest, the people living along the river Congo in Africa, and the tribes such as the Ongis or Ongi and Shompen of the Andaman and Nicobar Islands are some people of tropical rainforest. The people of tropical rainforest have lived there for thousands of years, and many of them have no contact with the outside world. Rainforest people usually live in huts built with branches, leaves, and mud. Many are hunter gatherers like the early humans. Some of them grow a few crops such as corn, bees, bananas, and root vegetables. Some rainforest farmers burn down a part of the forest and use the cleared land to grow crops. After a few crops, the soil becomes infertile and they move to a new part of the forest and burn it down. This is called shifting cultivation. Cultivation means making the land ready for farming and using it to grow crops. The tropical rainforests are fast being cut down to make space for building, cities, farming, and mining. Many trees are also cut down for wood. As the forests vanish, we are losing many plants and animals found there. So, children, this was all about tropical rainforest. I hope you enjoyed this topic, and I would also request you all to kindly read the chapter given in the book. Thank you so much for your kind attention.